Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse, and I'm back with my Boxycharm for the month of May. Y'all see them little specks and stuff? Disregard. That's not Boxycharm fault. That's me spraying every package I get with Lysol. And let me tell y'all, I'm still waiting on my Sephora order. I ordered from Ulta twice, and I got both packages, y'all. I'm just letting them sit, waiting on the Sephora haul to get here so I can unbox them together. But if they ain't here by Monday, we're gonna do Ulta, then I'll come back and let you guys see what I ordered from Sephora. Or just let me know. Y'all wanna go ahead and see the Ulta, I can go ahead and open it. You know I really want to open that box, right? But anyway, let's get into this May's Boxycharm box. Oh, this is the premium box. And this is, see what it looks like. Like I said, this box real light. I don't know. Yeah, I knew I was going to have a little, some kind of feeling, some kind of way about it. Because let me tell y'all, I don't have a card. I don't see a card anywhere. I might need to take a little break, but I can't because I love getting these products. And every box is not going to be perfect, but whoo, child. The first thing I see in here is the Too Faced Natural Matte. Now, any other day, I would have been so excited to get this. But, is this the same? Too Faced Natural Matte. And I got the Too Faced Natural Eyes. I think these are the same palettes. It is Natural Matte. See, that's my problem. I buy too much makeup. But, I'm not mad at it. I'm going to be an awesome gift giver. This packaging is very different. I don't think they're the same. This is mine. It says Natural Eyes. And this is the one I just opened that says Natural Matte. I was finna say, I'll just give it away. This is what the Natural Matte looks like. This is the one that I just got in the Boxycharm box. Disregard those black fingers because y'all know I dyed my hair and I didn't put on my gloves, so that's my fault. But yeah, this is what this Natural Matte palette looks like that came in the box. And the Natural Eyes, okay. Oh, okay, they pretty much look the same, except one has shimmer and one is all matte. I can see a little bit darker. This is the Natural Eyes that I purchased, and this is the Natural Matte. Oh, some of the shades, it's a little red and burgundy. It's a little different. It's a little different. Okay, I wouldn't have been mad, but you know, I guess it's something I can keep because I was going to just give it away. I'm glad I opened that. I got something else to add to my collection and give it a try. I just love makeup, but if it was two of the same, y'all wouldn't be greedy. I didn't know it was a Natural Matte palette. When I first looked in this box, I thought I had two of the same. But on to the next, y'all. I'm sweating like new money. Okay, guys, the next thing I see in this box, again, there is no card, so I don't know the price. So the first thing I see is this Best Bud Sugar Rush Lip Balm by Tarte. That's what that looks like. Let's open it up. I don't have any prices, guys, but this is, you know, what it is. This is the Best Bud Peony Sugar Rush Lip Gloss. That's what it looks like. That'll be cool to put in my work bag, you know. Y'all, ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that little rose. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm happy. So far, so good. So far. Okay, the next thing I see in here is by Milk Makeup. Y'all know I am a Milk Makeup fan. I absolutely love Milk Makeup. But I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Now, if it had not said for my cheeks, I might have been happy. Oh, how I get this off of here? Okay. Let me push it up. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know about these little balms. It's really reddish, but y'all can't really see it. Now, this might be a good little lip gloss. But why I got two lip products? I don't know about cheeks, y'all. I'm too oily. And I don't want nothing on my face that's gonna make me more oily. It's got a nice little shimmer though. Can y'all see that? It's got a nice little shimmer. I'll probably use it on my lips. Yeah, I'm already shiny because I went to the mailbox. So yeah, this will be something cute to try, but nothing I would buy. Well, I can't put it on my lips. Y'all know I want to so bad, but that's not gonna work. But yeah, I got that. And then the next thing I see in here is a 24-hour super brow. Y'all, okay, I'm gonna tell you, I ordered this. Yeah, I know mine was running out. I ordered this in the Sephora haul. They had some shades on sale and some not. And this is the exact same color that I ordered, dark brown. I ain't gonna complain because I like it. This is the Kat Von D brow pomade. And I actually ordered dark brown because I've been using the next shade deeper than dark brown, and I thought my brows were too dark on the end, so I ordered dark brown so I could put it on the front. But yeah, okay, this is again the KVD 24-hour super brow. I'm assuming, you know, they're just getting rid of the Kat Von D products, probably why it's in the box, so they can switch over to KVD brand. That's cool with me because this is my favorite brow gel. And I ain't mad at it. I just wish I had knew I was getting this in the box before I ordered it on Sephora. Okay, the next thing I have in my box is this Skin and Co Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. I got so many eye creams, y'all. This is, it's getting ridiculous. Oh, wow. Okay, that's what it looks like in the box. I thought it was a huge jar, but that's pretty big. Truffle Therapy. I'm not gonna open this, y'all, because I got so much skincare that's, y'all know, I'm gonna leave it closed. I'm not mad at it because I love my skincare. I'm just gonna put it in my new needs to be used skincare box. And the last thing in this $35 box is Pure Heal Centella 90 Ampule. Okay, what is this? A soothing ampule which contains Centella acetica, I guess I can't say that, extract. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin's barrier. This ampule contains 9% Centella acetica complex extract, the mystical part that firms the skin from the inside and leaves smooth complexion. I'm happy about this. I am happy about this. Okay, I will be using this. I cannot wait to get this on my face and see how this works out for me. And that is it, y'all, for this month's Boxycharm Premium. I'm on the lookout for my Boxycharm and my Sephora box. I don't know what's going on now. Shoot, I wasn't too excited about Stan Rouge, but God dog it, I didn't expect it really to take 3-4 weeks. When did it tell me? I ordered on the last day of May. I don't know why, y'all. I was pissed because everything I ordered ended up at the end of my, when I fell asleep that night about 11. When I woke up at 9, everything I had in my cart was sold out, and that pissed me off, so I didn't order, you know? So I just played around, laid around, waited to see what I wanted to get, and I finally ordered on the last day. And the thing told me it would be May 31st, May 21st, somewhere like that before my box came. And looks like it was telling the truth because I still don't have my Boxycharm box. I mean my Sephora box. But when it comes, I will be sure to come back and let you guys know. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all got everything in your box that y'all enjoyed because I'm happy for this Skin and Co. I am really happy for this. I'm excited to try because I've never used it. Ain't nothing wrong with a good lip balm, especially when you're at work. Instead of putting on lipstick, just put on some balm, keep your lip from being ashy. And this is my favorite eyebrow product of life ever. So I'm super happy for that. This is like $20-some. The box was $35. So I can say these two that I'm really excited about cover my $35 that I would have already spent because I already ordered it. But anyway, and I do enjoy Too Faced products. So this natural matte palette is wonderfully, excitedly going in my collection. I didn't know that there was a natural eyes and a natural matte. Now I'm just rambling, y'all, because I love to talk. All right, y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.